These ham and cheese stuffed crepes are comforting, cheesy, and absolutely satisfying. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a special weekend treat. Let's get cooking. Cheese stuffed crepes. Crepes. 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, salt to taste. The filling: 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 150 milliliters of milk, 150 grams of sliced cheese, 150 grams of sliced ham, salt and pepper to taste, 2 eggs for breading, breadcrumbs for coating, oil for frying. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, the flour, and milk until smooth. Add the melted butter and season lightly with salt. Mix well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 1 ladle of batter, swirl to coat. Cook, flip, and repeat until the batter is finished. Filling and assembly. Pour the melted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the flour and cook briefly to form a roux. Gradually add the milk, stirring constantly until thick and creamy. Season with salt and pepper. Spread 1 spoon of béchamel onto each crepe, add 1 slice of ham and 1 slice of cheese. Roll tightly to enclose the filling. Dip each rolled crepe in beaten egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in hot oil until golden and crispy on all sides. And there you have it. Crispy golden ham and cheese stuffed crepes that everyone will love. Creamy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, pure comfort food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes for softer crepes. Lightly grease the pan only before the first crepe if needed. Keep stirring to avoid lumps and ensure a silky texture. Make sure the crepes are fully sealed so the cheese doesn't leak while frying. Fry in batches and avoid overcrowding the pan to keep them crispy.